Hey everyone, David Joniak here, and today we're going to talk about a drill that I love to teach beginners because a lot of us, we know how to row, but we don't really know where we're going. So this is a positioning drill. This is called pausing at the catch because the finish, not too many things to think about, but the catch, it can be the problem child. So this is a great way to just take a moment to set up our catch, take another stroke, come back to it, and allow our minds and our bodies to connect with that mind to muscle memory. So let's go ahead and see what this looks like. I'm going to show you the stroke and then I'm going to explain the stroke. So I come up to the catch, I pause, I take another stroke, come up to the catch, I pause, take another stroke. And so this is going to allow me to stay here for a second, and if I have any issues with my catch position, I can take that moment to really set myself up for success versus always just jumping into failure. So I'm gonna go ahead and start at my finish. I'm gonna recover, I'm gonna come up to that catch, I'm gonna pause, and there's a lot of different boxes that I wanna check. I wanna make sure that I got those vertical shins. Now, of course, if you don't have the mobility, or maybe we have some issue in getting all the way forward, then we can have the vertical shins a little further back. So that's gonna be called your 3/4 slide or even a half slide. But eventually we do wanna make it to that full compression. I wanna keep my heels low. It doesn't need to be connected. Your heels don't need to be flat, but if you have the mobility, the sooner we can get those heels planted, the sooner we're gonna be able to engage the quads, which are those big muscles up here that account for a lot of power during the leg drive. We wanna make sure that we're hinging forward at the hips. We don't wanna have that rolled spine. We wanna hinge forward to about 11 o'clock. We wanna lift the chest. We don't wanna have that upper back bent over, so lift the chest. We're going to engage our lats. See what I'm doing here? I'm not pulling my shoulders up and back. I'm not even pulling my shoulders back. I'm just engaging my lats. I'm gonna hang off that handle nice and loose, point my nose forward, and now I'm at the catch. So drive back, finish, recover, come back up to the catch, make sure we're here, make any adjustments, drive back, recover, come back up to the catch, just like so. So feel free to incorporate this during a drill, during a journey, during a warm-up, and let us know in the comments how this helps your catch. I'll see you guys next time, and from all of us at Hydrow, thanks for stopping by.